Tini abo Tripura Idol Season 2 ni inaugural program ni chini Pandani Achupang ICA Department ni EM Borom Ganang Suhel Dev Burma chini Edisini Chairman chini Sar Jagadish Dev Burma chini Borom Ganang CM Purna Chandra Jamatia tai chini Chairman Sahab ni loge songbotongo tai ore chini kacham ex EM Chandra Darupuni chini additional CU Muslimuddin Ahmed or judges contestant kacham painai season 2 ni painai Rupesh tai Rahel tai ore chini official tai students media tai other dignitaries taklai kisa leri thangka sengseng mani dodi dakti সময় করে ni jongobano leri thangpano dakti ma dori lai sam ma khaikya kichini norok saimano chini kaisa league choli tongo Tripura football league aboni bagi chang kisa best tong thanglai mena aboni abo kaisa huge investment chini huge financial involvement Tripura football league abo ke Tripura Idol season 1 jehetu organize khaijaka Tripura Idol season 2 anyhow obono chung chengna nangnai hai hini chung obono leri phano chung ma chung lekha karanong kha kabang ma jagani chini thani feedback phayo lukorong na haru tongo obo Tripura Idol ni platform phataro bo oboni busy Pataro oboni lukoro bolai mani bolai jagai tongo te Tripura sarok bahnya jara rasab mo tongnai rasab na mo chonai o platform bai gadal na mo chonai borok beleke interest price tini scoop taklai to sung 1 lakh ni 2 lakh khairika second price 1 lakh khairika price kotor ko kya price kotoria price yung gari mo riman even 1 crore poronto sung riman or rima yang DC we can give kintu you have to increase the level of the music nini audition ni level lo emon ekta porjait lang thangde jeta saregamapa Indian Idol ni audition nanai ro yes their first second their first runner, second runner, they understand the music. At least they understand the music. That concept they should get. You increase the level of the music. Noro, chini jara contestant na phine rokno. Borokni Judi borok ringya ke borok talo loyo kari borok saregama kari hinga ke borok no level up khaina ni chesta khaidi bo 5 second ngai thangka chinoro scooty mani thanga rang mani thangka kintu music ni basic knowledge judi borok ni thani kari hinga ke chini edc ni Tripura Idol ni sini borom oni tola kalai nai price norok level t shari we norok level t shawi chono proof kono di chini kono byapariya we can spend lot chungari rimano rang bukabang rimano kono byapariya but you have to increase the level of the music chini ongorok no tisana nangnai tai kisha byaparan ke chungnai di miano chung kok borok ni 47 tomo kok borok Tripura hasti ni second language go sejak mani sal chung palai lekha hohom dodorok ekhay 47 বছর সংখ্যা আনি বয়স তবে 47 বছর সংখ্যা বড় রকনি আশাই খাইকে শৈশব কৈশোর যুবন পারনে কাইছে একটা ম্যাচিউর কাইছে স্টেজে সব পাইজাক ককবরক অলসো ইন এ ম্যাচিউর পজিশন নাও ইকে ককবরক যে জায়গা 47 বছর রিকগনাইজ ওনলি ফাইকা ককবরকনি present position tamo boni music boni folk boni culture boni sharalipi boni cultural activities of course kabang mano develop kha chini katal chen music compose khailo katal rechap layo katal shrung layo whether they are working the principle music angkha kaisa common language sara prithibiyo music ni je common language tongo music ni sare ga ma pa western ba onnote kaisa tongo borok ni method a method by kintu music sara prithibiyo this is a universal language that universal language chini kok borok atrega kede kalaikha na chung haino Hindi music ni bahai nawi Hindi music nawi aralai tong kahai no tum sakadum. Kintu chini kok borok no develop khane thangte mi buni hukumu no naharish rasap lai ma bai iya chini obono chini on culture no chini on tradition no chini on folk no talangai thangani khetre norok jara tipra idol participant khainai judges angnai norokni kal kok borok development no obo thinanga ekta milestone ongthon ubungnai ompuito chungnarogo kajei obhaike senior level of the audition and level of the artist you have to create amongst our youths jara music na hamjagi tongnai rokno asuna kok sasnai best of luck judges best of luck joto contestant rokno tini tipra idol season 2 kaham ke chung pailene even jesur nang chung narokno backup renai chung narokno chobonai kuno problem ngorokno joto na hambai khulumbai ke